from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a BMW 1 Series here on a 2011-2012 plate. Just doing the front parking light, also known as position lamp side light bulbs as well. I'm doing both of them. Basically both are not working. This one here and this one here is not working. So I'm going to show you, I'm only going to show you one, then you know the other one you can get it done yourself. So what you've got to do first is, if you come around this way, so it'll be a lot easier. If you remove this cover, twist it to your left and then bring the whole thing out, and on the inside here you've got a seal. Just make sure the seal is still intact, so it's there. What you got to do, you got to get the bulb on the inside right there. If you just go in a little bit more, that's the one. So that's the one we need to pull out. So to make life a lot easier, what I do, I pull this out first. So I put my fingers on the side here and then pull the whole thing out. Now if you did need this bulb as well, this is a 582 bulb, which is a capless bulb. You can see right there, but I mean at the moment it's working, so I'm not replacing this. And on the bottom of that there, it's a H7 bulb. So if you did want to replace the H7 bulb, which is right there as well, so you can do that at the same time. But what we're doing is we're doing the position lamp, which is that one, and it's a 434 bulb. Now all of these bulbs would be in the description, so if you did want one, and you can get it from there and at the end of the video as well. Now to do it, it is a simple procedure. So what you need to do is you need to put your fingers across. If you put your hand in there on one end and then get the other hand on, sorry, you won't be able to see it because I'm getting my hands in there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to pull the thing out with both of my hands. So they are going to be tight, so make sure you're holding it tight. So you pull it out towards you. I've already taken the bulb out of this because I needed one. Just need to know which one it was. So I've got a bulb right here. So if you did want a part number, which is a 434, right there. So always remember, with bare hands, never hold the bulb. So try having some gloves on and then make sure they're not oily or anything. Now that's the bulb we need to put in. So slot it in, twist that to my right, and then line the bulb up through the hole. So as you can see right there, that's the hole we need to put it through. So I have to hold it. It's a bit of a fiddly job. Right, if I don't focus on showing you guys, here we go, here it is. So I slot it in through the hole. That's in the hole now. All I then do is push it in. That's it. And then I'll plug this back in as well. So that's only one way they would go as well. So if I wanted to put it like this, it ain't gonna go because it's got a stop point. That's it. So while you're on here, I might as well show you the other one quickly as well, so we can get both of them done at the same time. This is exactly the same procedure again. So it's the inside bulb right there we need to replace. That's the bulb we need to replace. So what I do, I unplug this first. I've already spoken about this bulb, so I'm not going to speak again. And then on the inside, so if I put my finger in on one side and get the other hand in on the other side, you're going to need really skinny hands, but got it out, you just pull the whole thing out and then take the old one off, put that somewhere safe. Got the new one right here, and then I slot the new one in. What I've done is I've held it from here rather than from the lens itself. So inside, turn, and then now I just have to line it through the hole. So it's right on the inside there. This is the bit where it becomes really tricky because I'm showing you guys how it's done as well at the same time, but you've got the idea of how to do it anyway. Once I've got it in, I then push it from the back till it clicks in. Just where are we? There we go. That's in there all the way. I then get this bulb in at the same time. I push the bulb in. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to check, see, make sure the lights are working. So I'm just going to put the side lights on. Are they working? Right, those are the ones. That's it. So that's all it was on this particular model. Now, if you did want to do the main dip bulb as well, which is on the right hand side there, you can only get to that through the arch lining. I have got a video for that as well, so if you do want to check it out, it's in the BMW playlist. Now, with regards to these inside ones, that's one for the 4-beam, the H7 bulb, which is the bottom one. The other one is for daytime running lamp, which is the 582 bulb. And the 434 bulb is for the parking light and the position lamp and the side light bulb. That's all it is. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.